Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove or end room in Facebook. Facebook's new group video chat feature, Messenger Rooms, has recently gone live for users on both desktop and mobile devices. The new features has been introduced to take on the likes of Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, and MS Team as there is a surge in the number of users turning to video chat services during lockdowns and quarantines. A Messenger Room is a drop-in video chat feature from Facebook. So when someone using the feature creates a room, Facebook will alert people using a dedicated section in the newsfeed or push a notification to users. People can actually start a video call from the Facebook app or Messenger and send out invites to different users, even those who don't have a Facebook account. So when a user creates a room on a Facebook, they will also be able to control who sees their rooms in the newsfeed by choosing whom to invite. In order to create a Facebook Messenger room on your device, you need to have the latest version of Facebook and Messenger apps. So if you have ever created a room on your Facebook, then you can end it anytime you like. Or you can allow approved people to enter your room. You can only end a room or decide who's allowed inside if you created the room or you are the owner of the room. So in order to do that, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to the Facebook application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into it, then tap on it to open. Once you are on the newsfeed page, you can find your room just right beneath the What's on Your Mind section. So go to View Details and tap on it. As it opens the page with your link of the room and a set of friends that you can invite, you can just go to the top right corner and tap onto the settings icon. On this page, you can edit who can join your room. I have tapped on anyone with the link, but if you remove someone from a room, your room will only allow people you have approved to enter the room and not let the participant back in. You can reset your room's permission settings to allow anyone with the link to join if you want to let the removed participant back in. Now here you can see the room settings section. In here various options are available, so you go to the end room and tap on it. Now ending your room removes all your members and disables the link, and it disappears from your newsfeed. So this is it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.